Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. So today I'm going to explore Istana. So this is basically the open house which happens basically in few times in a year. So this time the Istana Open House is just because of the Chinese New Year. So this is the entrance, and if you may be wondering what the Istana is all about, this is official residence and the office of President of Singapore. Yes, so I'm going inside to explore how this looks like. So this is the queue for the foreigners, and if you are the resident, permanent resident and Singaporean, you can just walk in. You don't have to pay. As a foreigner, you have to pay $20 for the entrance. So once you enter, there will be security screening, and then I'm inside here. So that this is from where this all the area starts from here. So you see, it's a huge. So once you enter from the main entrance, at your left side there's a pond, and we can see the swan there. Yes, you heard it correctly. So let me just go and walk over, and let me show you guys how many swans are there. Maybe one, two or more. We will find it out. So I can see here there are two swans, and they look really amazing and beautiful. You see, I'm just giving you the closer look. Amazing to see. There are so many families. They are coming here to have a glimpse of this beautiful house, this beautiful area. So I also came to know this. The same place also used to be officially. It is also the office of the Prime Minister of Singapore, but officially none of the Prime Ministers stayed here. If we go back to a little bit in history, this basically the building which we are going to see in a while, it was built by British people to make it the official residence of the governor at that time. So as you know, that Singapore also has been the part of the colonial regime, and the building, there are many places in Singapore you can come across that those were built by the British at that time. So here comes the food truck. So if you are feeling a bit hungry after going around the very huge area, there are some shops, some food truck which you can enjoy the food from. And I can hear there's a Singapore police band performances going on. So let's go and explore if there are more performances, and I'm going to show you guys what is happening here. So by the time I walk to this place, the band performance is over, and people are just clapping and they're appreciating their efforts. So this is a Singapore Police Band team, and I have seen their performances during this National Day as well. They are amazing. There are many performances across different units: Singapore Police Force, Air Force, Navy, and all during the National Day. But here, especially the police band was performing. I think there are some more performances are queued up. I can see here some of the people preparing for lion dance. So let's wait here and we enjoy the lion dance performance first before we move to another part of this area. So now the lion dance performance is about to begin, so let's enjoy.
1989, the CCA was originally part of NPCC until it split into its own CCA in 2007. Spring Reception 2024， 接新的一年，愿祝大家这个。
Wonderful. That was amazing to see. Those kids are, I think, from some school, and they were performing incredibly. I love their line dance. So let's go and go towards the main building. Will not have access to go inside the building, definitely, but it is mostly, looking at the building from the outside and seeing the main area, the lawn area especially. So this is the main area in just in front of the building. Looks like a beautiful garden. It also has a beautiful fountain. So if you see from the fountain, this is the building which I was talking about. Many families, they are just coming here, as you know, celebrating this day after Chinese New Year, and just spending some quality time with their loved one. Get the closer look of this main building. So as I said earlier, this was built by the British, and after the independence of Singapore in 1959, it was handed over to Singapore. At that time, appointed the head of state, Yusuf Ishaq. So he was the first president of Singapore. So of course he started using this place as an official residence of. So if you are coming to Istana next time, this is the main place and attraction when you are visiting Istana. So that's where people want to take the picture, just standing in front of the fountain, and at the background the main official building. So let's go to another part of this area and see if we can find something else. Oh yeah, this is the place I wanted to see. Finally found it. I have seen this in the picture. So this is 105 Japanese cannon, and this area which where this is place is called as Gun Terrace. Oh, so this is again one of the attraction I see among the people. They want to take the picture and see here. That's how you should take the picture in front of the cannon, right? Next time. So yeah, so many people, they are coming here and taking the picture in front of this cannon, which is one of the attraction within this ground. So this gun was basically presented to the people of Singapore in 1945 by then the Supreme Commander of Southeast Asia, Louis Mountbatten. So that's the history of this cannon, and it is still sitting here. So here is another historic building, which is basically a bungalow that was built in 1908, and this is the place where today when Singapore politicians and they are official, they are visiting some country and they're being presented any gift, so those gifts are also being put on the display here inside this bungalow. So here also you have to take a ticket. I think $2, $10, depends on where you're coming from, whether you're local foreigner, and then you can go inside and have a tour. So you see the queue in front of me, just going there, buying the tickets and getting inside the access to see what is being displayed inside. So anyways, I am not going inside for now, so let's go ahead and see what else we have. So Istana is basically one of the I would say major landmark when we are talking about the Singapore politics and its government, because this is also the place where newly elected cabinet minister etc they will be swearing in. I think even if I'm not wrong, even the prime minister swearing in ceremony also held in Istana itself, because this is the official residence of prime minister, and that's where all these functions are happening. Whenever they have any foreign delegates also visiting Singapore on official visit, so they will be hosting mostly here in Istana itself for bilateral meetings etc. So anyways, after exploring all these, and it started a bit raining, and the time is about to over. It's going to be the 6 o'clock, because until 6 it's just open. So now you can see it's started raining as well. So now we are walking out. So hope you enjoyed visiting Istana with us. Take care and bye for now.